Hello everyone, welcome back to the most amazing YouTube channel. So the great Indian festival season is about to end. Only one more day. So we are here with top 5 budget things affordable for every student. So let's see. The first thing in our list is Axe Deodorant, which is only for 90 rupees. So it's a fair deal, you can go for it. So let's see the second thing in our list. It's nothing but a Sony 16GB pendrive. So this is also a very fair deal, only 279 rupees. And the third item on our list is nothing but the headphones. Both company headphones are very, build quality is great and sound quality is also awesome. A mic is also included in it. Its price is only $499. So you are saving 500. So only one more day is left over. If you are searching for headphones, you can go for them. The fourth item on our list is nothing but a bag. A very great bag. Its price was 1020 and during the festive season its price is only 800. So go and purchase it. So you can see it is water resistant and there is also a port in it through which you can charge your mobile phone, and a laptop can be easily placed inside it and other mobile accessories too. And the fifth item on our list is MI A2 smartphone, whose price is 15,000. This is a best deal, and if you are searching for a mobile phone around this budget, then you can go for it. Let's see its configuration. So as you can see, the camera is 12 megapixel plus 20 megapixel rear camera, and the front camera is also 20 megapixel. So the camera is great. Full HD plus display, 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. And the Snapdragon 660 octa-core processor, and battery is 3000 mAh. So overall, in this price range, this is the best mobile phone you could purchase on Amazon. So the one more item we are giving you as a bonus. So let's see. The sixth item is nothing but a laptop, and the two HP laptop, 18,000. In this price range, this is the best laptop you could purchase. 4GB RAM, 1TB hard disk. So you can go for it. So if you want to purchase any item, the link is given in the description. Go and purchase it before the festive season is over. Leave a like below and comment below which items you are going to purchase in this great Amazon festive season. Thanks for watching.